How to create Klarna account step by step. Want to start using Klarna? Let's create your account quickly and easily. First, open the Klarna app and tap sign up on the welcome screen. Enter your email address, phone number, and create a secure password. Follow the prompts to fill in your personal details like name, date of birth, and address. Once all fields are completed, tap continue. You'll receive a verification code via SMS or email. Enter it to confirm your account. Use a password that's unique and strong to keep your account secure. Did you find signing up smooth or tricky? Tell us about it in the comments below. And that's how you can create a Klarna account step by step. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.